Hi everyone, my name is Sangeeta Roy Ghosh and I'm the founder of Sangeeta's Cooking Mantra Baking Academy, and I want to welcome all of you to SCM Bakers Meet 2025 this year. All those who don't know what is SCM Bakers Meet, I have a beautiful clip that you can watch right now. This is a platform that we share for all the bakers across the globe to come and connect, network, learn and grow together. You must have seen in the video already, there are loads of masterclasses and goodies, assured gifts. If you want to be a part of the SCM Bakers Meet this year, don't miss out. Go grab your seats right now. The number is mentioned below and the seats are super limited. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you again. Bye.